My name is Moira McCarthy, and I'm a surgeon on the Sports Medicine and Shoulder Service at Hospital for Special Surgery. I commonly see patients who complain of injuries of the knee and shoulder. The most common presentations are usually acute injuries involving ligaments of the knee, primarily the ACL, and also meniscus injuries in the knee. Injuries about the shoulder usually involve the rotator cuff or the labrum. I grew up in upstate New York, and then I went to Princeton for my undergraduate studies, and then I went to Columbia for medical school. And when I was at Columbia, I learned about this place called HSS, which has the best orthopedic training program in the world, and so I knew that that's where I wanted to be. And I think it provided me with the best possible training in orthopedic surgery and sports surgery available in the U.S. So after my fellowship at HSS in sports surgery, I decided to see how some of the rest of the world does sports surgeries. And I spent some time in Europe, specifically London as well as France, learning from some of the best surgeons in those countries, primarily involving knee and shoulder surgery. So I think patient education is essential. Each patient that comes to me with an injury needs to understand exactly how I view their injury and how I see it being treated. Patients must understand the course of treatment and what steps they need to meet in order to get there. It's often not a specific time frame in terms of returning to sport. It's more a progression in terms of strength, stability, coordination, balance. When a new patient comes to see me, they can expect that I will listen to their problem. We'll do a thorough physical exam of the affected body part. We will get the appropriate radiologic studies, and then I will help them understand what I think the problem is and how I think it should be treated. When patients come in with devastating injuries and you counsel them through the process and you operate on them and you get them back into the game, it's a very rewarding experience. The patients are happy, they return to the sport or activity that they love, and it's very gratifying.